Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to open a glass screen door. Now, usually these glass screen doors are sliding doors. You can say they're quite easy to open, but I thought I would just give instructions just in case some people might have some trouble or problems. Every sliding door is going to be different. Sometimes they're going to have a lock on it, but then in this case, it does not have a lock. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is put our fingers in the groove that's right where the sliding door is. And you're gonna be able to see that the thing is, you're not trying to open the door, you're trying to just slide it. And it's on some rollers basically. So what you're gonna do is pull. See how I'm pulling to my right? Once you pull to the right, then you're opening the door. And, just to let you guys know, like, it's the same process in closing a sliding door. So what you're going to do is put your hand inside the grooves and then just pull, or you can actually say like push, you're pushing it, you're pulling it, and then you're pushing it to close. And that is how you open and close a sliding glass door. I hope that helps, guys. And if you have any questions or comments, please go ahead and leave it below. Have a great day.